Greetings friends, welcome back to another video. Now today is not one of our usual videos, but today we'll be delivering some care packages to some needy persons. Now this initiative is a project being put on by Fire Reed, Miss Bev from Miss Bev's production, and myself, and we have some donors who are on board with us, and these donors include Mr. John Campbell and his wife, Yvonne, Lincoln, Lati, Rosalie, King Nick from Jamaica, Good Life, and Queen V, and all the other persons who have donated to this project. And today we'll be assisting two elderly gentlemen with some basic food items. Thank you for watching. Okay, here we are at the home of Mr. B. The gentleman was very dear to us. I would just carried some things to distribute to him. So, Mr. B, yeah man, so we have some people from overseas who donated towards this project. So, I don't know if you want to say anything to them right now.
Tell them many thanks. Beautiful.
Yeah man, so how things with you on the corona?
No, the corona?
Yeah, in terms of...
In Bascafine way. Don't come my way.
Okay. So, let me say, just a few items.
Yeah man.
You know, just...
Respect you man, respect you.
Yeah man. But I would not crying man, you know say, I just help out and make the thing much easier for you know?
Yeah man.
Yeah man, so... You have nothing more to say?
You know, make you no thanks and praise because we live loving till now. When we working, you know, good until now.
Yeah man.
And respect too, no?
Yeah man.
Respect.
Yeah man. If anything you know, if you get to where you can reach out to the same way, you know?
Yeah man.
You know, say, just reach out to you, understand? Blessings
So,
come more, you know?
Yeah
so
man.
you have not necessarily what I need?
Eh?
You have not necessarily what I need?
Need?
Yeah, you have not necessarily what I want. If we can do it, we could do it. Anything we say that I want food.
Yeah,
No?
we don't want, like, you know, anything at all, we just say, boy.
Man, I'm going to let you know, sir.
Okay.
Yeah,
Sir.
man.
Alright, bossy.
Respect man.
Yeah man, you know, so we always look out for you. We not left you out, so.
Give me man.
So them my package, you know, so.
Give me. I tell you everything.
Don't worry about the heaviness, man. Just
And I'm not going
Oh, you're not going to look, man. But,
you don't know where you go. Manners and respect.
to respect man.
Yeah, man.
yeah man, so. You know, I just say there.
Yeah man.
Yeah man, so big up yourself.
Respect man.
One love, one heart.
Yeah, man, so big up the whole team, the teamwork make the dream work. Big up Maurice Kingpin, big up Miss Bell Production and Fire Reed. One love, one heart, upward, onward. Each one help one. Blessings the people.
Yeah, man.
Subscribe to the channel. Big up.
Yeah man,
You don't know me. But you don't know me, I show me respect.
yeah man,
I respect it.
yeah man.
I love you. Same way. And don't leave me out.
Alright, sir.
Alright, sir.
So we thank all the donors contributing. There are the packages right there. So, I'm make it a bit easier for Mr. B.
Yeah man.
So Mr. B, take care of yourself
And you
until again.
And you too, sir.
Alright sir, take care.
You know, respect, yeah?
Yes sir.
Man,
Cool.
Man, here.
man, go first, man.
Alright.
So I am here at Mas Vane to drop off my care packages. He's very grateful and he just want to say thanks. Tell them thanks. Tell Mas Vane to tell them.
Say thanks, say thanks. Thanks.
Right, Mas Vane is deaf. So
Thanks.
right, he's deaf, so we have to talk a bit loud for him to hear. So because he's not hearing, yes, I said God bless you. All right, because he's not hearing to tell some of the things that he would like. So I'm going to let his granddaughter to tell some of the other things that they really need. What else do you think Mas Vane would need?
People that like some pampers and the little mat that is
Oh, the
on
bed mat.
The bed mat.
The bed mat. All right.
And this kind of stuff that I really
Right. So,
I got time.
yes, sir. So,
I know I got time.
yes, sir. So the things that he really need, he would need some bed pads to put on the bed, because sometime by the time he used to come down to urinate, he mess up the bed, and if possible, they would like some Pampers, because right now you can see the bed is almost wet. So they would like some help to get him some bed mats or some Pampers. So we're signing off now from us, Vin, and a big thanks to everybody. All right? All right, Vin.
Thanks.